One of the biggest comments I get from people is that I don't have time for all this faffing about and dieting to lose weight. Well, I always say my unique selling point is the fact that I live a very ordinary life with limited facilities. So today I'm going to show you how I managed to stay on my diet. As you can see from the background, it's my posh office. Not very inspiring, is it? Just look at that view out the window. Yep, the wall opposite. So anyway, I start most days off with an overnight oats. It takes me about 4 minutes to make and kicks in at 271 calories. Really simple, nice and squishy, loads of flavour. Then my lunch is just as exciting. It's a salad. Made this the night before with a couple of corn sausages, some couscous and some salad veg, funnily enough. This kicks in at 278. You could just as easily use tuna. I like to make my couscous in advance, so I've got it for a few days. Of course, the salad takes me all of 5 minutes. And just in case you think I've got a fancy kitchen, I haven't. This is my kitchen. And I assemble some ingredients. Yeah, this transition is a bit crap, isn't it? And it turns into a really nice tofu in black bean sauce served with rice. Transition doesn't work at all, but here it is. Here's the bowl of food. That kicked in at a grand total of 421 calories. So the whole day, oops, there's one more thing I forgot. I had a cheeky Twix mid-morning to go with my coffee. That kicked in at 236 or something. So the whole day kicked in at 1221. As you can see, I have a normal life, fairly mediocre job, really mediocre kitchen, and the whole lot. 5 minutes for breakfast, 5 minutes for lunch, 20 minutes to knock the dinner together, and 30 seconds to throw a pound in the vending machine. So you're talking less than half an hour, of which the 10 minutes was the night before when I was cooking my dinner anyway. I've already made tomorrow's breakfast, and I think tomorrow's lunch is a pot noodle. What I'm trying to say is, I'm sticking to a plan. I'm having proper cooked food. There's very little processed stuff in there, and I'm hitting a deficit that's huge. You know, I'm on 1200 a day. There's probably room for me to have some snacks tonight if I want to, but it's 7:30. I don't feel hungry, so there you go. You do have the time, and it really isn't a lot of faff. Half an hour out of your day to eat 3 square meals, you could queue for longer than that in Greggs. The dinner was made using a Simply Cooked kit, only because I had one in. You could have just as easily done it with a jar of black bean sauce. If you don't like tofu, you could have had chicken. What I'm trying to say is, everybody's got the time to do this. It's not a lot of effort, and it's easy to do. So keep tuned, and I'll come up with another plan soon.